Whenever I am hungry here on the homestead, I always turn to a homemade ham biscuit. You always want to ensure that you are using premium sliced country ham, as it will deliver that saltiness that you're looking for. Pan fry it up to get it just to that crisp stage and heat it up. Even though it is already cooked, this version that I purchased, I still like mine burnt with some color like this. It gives it more flavor. And you also are flavoring that pan. So once it is done, I remove it from the pan and place it on my fresh hot biscuit, just waiting to soak up that salty ham juice for that perfect bite every single time. Now it is time to place our top onto our freshly made ham biscuit and enjoy. I often will eat it as is, but I may put some homemade jelly on top or some sorghum syrup. Perfect breakfast every time.